and octane this year. So the next event is in May. It's going to be down at the near Speedway. So it's going to be a different setup. If you've ever done the downforce battles, it's going to be kind of like that for the autocross, except for competing head to head, it's just going to be you doing the whole snake by yourself. Time attack will basically be.
Well, it sure is a rainy day. Had a flat tire come out of the trailer for I don't know what reason, but let's see if we can do some autocross. We'll see though. I don't know how this is gonna go. It's pouring rain pretty good and the track's gonna be slick. I don't think this is gonna be very fun. I'm gonna get soaking wet. It's about to be crazy. Interesting. I'm gonna get soaking wet. Alrighty. See how this goes in the rain. Quite a few people here though. To be rainy. Oh, truck tires. Yeah. Got the old Fox body up there. Oh, here we go. So multiple people out on the track at one time. Hopefully nobody crashes.
They do, they got paid for it.
It looks like he's got a little more grip than I'll have. 57. So I think they just get back in line for, I believe. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's scooting. pretty fun. Oh my gosh, the amount of roll that this thing had.
Well, you saw, I mean, you're still beating me.
It actually felt pretty grippy, honestly.
Yeah.
Like literally, the work. I mean, the only reason I have to slow down is because I feel tires coming up. Pretty surprised on how grippy it feels.
Side fight, I guess.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I think these things when they wore slap out after this.
I bet it was 49 the last one.
I don't know. I looked over and I didn't see my last one count. And it was a good lap.
I heard you break it once.
Yeah. The second lap, I didn't make it through the cones. I didn't even go through the main cones. I had to straight shot it because I wasn't making it.
I about drug a few of them over here with me. Knock on wood, I ain't hit one yet. So I know I think the first and second session I was okay, but that last one, it like got sideways. I was plowed sideways through the rim on the back.
I seen one or two cones knocked over, and
Yeah.
I don't think it was me.
I know one of them was down on my first lap, but I don't know what happened after that. I feel bad. Those kids are going to be running all day long back there.
Yeah, that once you top that hill, that whole turn is pretty tight.
Yeah. There's when I go up on the top of this hill, I'm spinning my right rear the whole time. Really smoking.
I can carry a pretty decent amount of speed down.
That is the fastest I've ever gone through that corner because you don't carry speed like that
Coming
on the racetrack.
Yeah.
It's weird going down that hill like that's fun. That is.
It don't help.
Well, all the other autocrosses I've been to never come out of first gear.
Really?
Yeah. Now I hit second.
Yeah, I think so. I think I was in. I think it's like I'm tickling third if I'm not in it.
Yeah. Well, I have a 273.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
She did the whole thing in second.
Yeah.
And it did clear up after that first launch.
Once you kind of
Yeah, it
sounded like it was blown out a little bit.
Yeah. I was like, I know I had him leaned out just a tad. When she took off, it looked like it was blowing rich. Smoke. And I was like, what?
The amount of roll I have with these tires.
Say what now?
The amount of roll I have with these tires.
That soft sidewall, I'm sure.
Yeah. But it also don't help that, you know, obviously my goal was to run short course dirt track with these tires. I didn't have them balanced.
Oh yeah.
They are not balanced.
Whoa.
Well, they have a few chunkiness.
Yeah. That's a fun corner.
It is.
That is fun.
I didn't know if I'd like it by looking at the video, but
That's
it's
fun.
fun. It's a little tight on the sweeping down.
Yeah.
Well, still pouring. Super wet. Got our first 3 runs out of the way, but I don't think they were too horrible. I think maybe 49s, 48s. I think. Definitely is tricky though. Got way too much body roll with the Hoosier bikes. Didn't get to run my slicks. I'd definitely be in a guardrail if that was having to run them. Got the dub.
Wasn't wet. I like
Yeah, it was still pretty close. Did a lot better in the rain than I figured with these tires. Yeah. Well, pretty successful trip. Had a pretty decent day, even though it was a little on the shorter side. And the weather was horrible. Rainy day for sure. It was still fun, made everything more interesting. Solid day. Yeah. Only got to make a handful of runs, but still got to play a little bit. Both of them did pretty well, given the conditions.
Not made for this, but
Yeah.